Hello, my name is Paul Gapes, General Manager of Pacific Data Systems. We are a technology company based in Brisbane, Australia, involved with electronic design, manufacturing, system integration. One of our latest products to roll off the shelf is the dPM-RT, Diesel Particulate Measurement Real-time. This system is used in mining and places where there is a requirement to measure diesel particulate exhausts to determine diesel particulate matter in milligrams per cubic metre. The World Health Organization has determined that diesel particulate matter is a cancer-causing agent and has been classified as a Class 1 carcinogen. Therefore, many organisations who are involved with underground mining or tunnel construction that have personnel operating in confined spaces have a requirement to ensure that their employees are safe. This is one solution that assists those organisations involved in those activities to ensure that any diesel-powered equipment that is used in those environments has very low or no levels of diesel particulate matter emitting into that environment, ensuring that the employees are safe and being looked after. The technology employs laser light scattering technology. What it does, it draws in a sample of diesel exhaust emissions through the sample probe, through a hose that's connected to the sample inlet on the instrument. And after a very short period of time, approximately 60 seconds, you will have the measurement of the diesel particulate matter from that particular sample. That data can then be recorded for local data collection. It is a very simple to use, operate instrument, and with less than 10 minutes of training, the end user would feel comfortable going out in the field conducting diesel particulate measurements at the exhaust. Some organisations use this instrument to measure exhaust at the manifold of the diesel engine. This gives them a this gives them a measurement prior to any filtering, and then they can then compare that to the tailpipe or exhaust emissions and then determine if there is any difference. One of the applications for this instrument is to measure diesel exhaust at both the manifold and at the tailpipe to ensure the efficiency of any filtering that may take place between the manifold and the exhaust. This would potentially give the maintenance personnel an understanding of what they need to do to reduce any diesel particulate matter at the tailpipe. We look forward to answering any further questions that you may have regarding the dPM-RT diesel particulate measurement real-time, either directly or through our channel partners appointed throughout the globe.